Star. What do you think? How's the taquito?
It's just really tender, really moist, fresh. Yeah, very, very fresh. I love it.
Molly! There's your sockeye salmon. The reason I come back all these times. Congratulations. It's neat to see the two brothers.
Get him up. Give him kisses. Give him kisses. He needs kisses. Get him up. There, get him up. Get him out of that swimming bag. Wake up, baby. Hey, come on, come on. Whoa. Oh, that's good job, Tucker. Oh, good job. Wake him up. Be nice. Don't wake that baby up.
I think you go spread your warm joy with tight hugs for everybody, though. Find it when you can.
Get him, Kita. Where is he? Where is he? Get him up. Get him up. Get him up. There he is. Tell him to wake up. Wake up.
Good morning. Wakey, wakey on your day to sleep in.
Snickers.
That's what I feel like that's
Get him. Get him, Macy. Get him, Macy. Get him. Get him, Macy. Wake him up, Macy. Come on, get him. Ah, no.
Go get Grandma. Wake Grandma up. Get Grandma. Wake Grandma up, Casey May. Wake Grandma up.
Please, Louie, stop. Don't lick me to death, Louie. Please, oh, Louie, please. Can I just sleep a little bit longer, Louie? Please, Louie.
How can I compete with this?
Yeah. Show it in my face.
Wake her up, Charlie.
His butt is in my face.
Well, wake up. It says wake up. Charlie, wake up.
Oh, Calvin. Oh, God.
Get off, Diamond.
Does Cooper want a treat? Huh? Does Cooper want a treat?
Don't push me out of bed. Don't bite me either. This is my side. This is my side. This is my side. This is my side. This